Now, speaking of headstands, we are going to do a headstand on top of the chair. This, again, you're gonna want someone to spot you, and this is something that you are going to need to practice. This is an advanced move. So take a look. I'm gonna stand in front of the chair, and my head is going to land on the seat while I pop my legs up into a straddle. Boom. Okay, lift up. You can play around here. And then come down. Okay, there is an option where you can do a somersault, you can go over to the other side, but again, please have a spotter available to try this move. So let's try it. Hands, head, and pop, pop. Okay, suck in those abs, play with the feet, go down the normal way or go down the back way. So I'm gonna reach my leg over, and with my left hand, I'm also going to hold on to the chair so it doesn't flip with me. I'm gonna try and do it as slow motion as possible. Boom, 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 boom. It's gonna be easier without heels. I land like this because it's the safest option, but I'm sure you can also land more standing up, okay? That is our pop-up.